What, what have we got there? Ja, rustig aan jongen. Rustig aan. Oh, rustig. Hello tubes. What's this? Oh, that's a nice one. It's an old Dodge. Kom maar ouwe. Ja, is goed, kom maar. Alright. Well, it's a bit crowded here, folks, because there's a firm selling fireworks and firecrackers, so it's a bit crowded in this neighborhood. Let's see. Make a short vid of this. This is the demolition firm, Kneinenburg. As you can see, there's just a bit of snow on the road. Whoa, just parked my car here. They won't mind. Nope. Turn off. Brake. Let's see. Well, what have you got there? Oh, it's not too rusted. Ah, a bit of Bondo. Bit of Bondo. Not bad. Few dents. Car. F-150 XLT. Let's check. Oh, no rust. Nope. No rust, my friends. Well, it's a survivor. It's a survivor, alright. Doesn't look too bad. Well, we're at the DIY market, the Gamma. They're open from 9 to 9, even on Sundays from 10 to 17 hours. Let's see. Oh, Michael Schumacher. Woo! Let's see. Let's walk a bit. Convoy exceptional. Well, if you got a white load, this guy will be in front or in the back to guide the other traffic. Let's see. Oh, a lot of people running to this store, the firework giant. Well, as you can see, snow is almost gone. What's that? The Karaoke taxi. Oh, looks like an old school bus to me. Well, there's a lot of traffic here. Haha! Look at that cafe, the Old Dutch. Oh. Well, it's a karaoke bus. It's a cab and you can sing. Sober or drunk. Yep. Oh la la. Holy macaroni. What's that on the dash? Ho ho ho. Oops. Got putty. Oh. Got more putty. Uh-oh. First 2 kilometers, 750. Each other, 220. Waiting is 33 euros per hour. Okay. Don't let them wait too long. Nice school bus. Oh, nice trailer. Nice trailer. Oh, well, it's a bit filled up with all sorts of electronics. But if you're a karaoke bus, you need that. Oh, oh, that's an old friend. He died, Andre Hazes. Well, here's the car wash. Oh, there's something here you don't see every day. It's a Ford pickup. But, look. This is the small one. That's the small one. Yep. It's a P100. Oh, chocolate chips. Bit of chocolate chips. Well, it's a small, how should we call it? Mondeo or Tournier, or, but it's a P100. Wash your car. Even your Porsche needs a clean. What's this? This is a Fiat Ulysses. Oh, it's the same as a Peugeot 806. Well, you can hear the sounds. Firecrackers. As you know, only the last 3 days of the year these firms are allowed to sell firecrackers and firework, but you're only allowed to burn them the last 3 hours of the 31st of September. Well, as you can see, there's the firm. Some guys bring their trolleys. If you got these huge Chinese rolls, I mean not egg rolls, but firecracker rolls, you need them. Oh, oh, look. Oh, this taxi has got a bit of a headache. Oops. Boop. Hey. What's this? Oh, side airbags went off. Oh. Ooh. That's a costly crash. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's a costly one. Well. Oh la la, it's crowded in there. It's very crowded in there. Some more cars of interest. Yep. What's this? An Olds Christian servers. Hey, it's for sale. Oh no, the boards are for sale. Sorry, the car is not for sale. The boards are for sale. Cutlass Cruiser SL. Okay. Oh, doesn't look too bad. Not much rust. Nope. Nice chrome roof rack. Ooh, high-speed spoiler. No, it's a nice SL. Looks good. It really looks good. Oh, what goes in here? Nee joh, even kijken, dat is leuk. Mag ik er ook? Nee, ik mag er niet in, hè. Mag ik er niet in? Ja, hoe kom ik eruit? Anders? Ah, wel. Joh, pas op. Ik heb pleisters, maar dat helpt niet hoor.
Ik spring er zo in.
Ja, als het glad is. Tot je haakt hè, en dan hapt hij hè.
Ja.
Dan hoef je tenen niet meer te knippen. Toch? Het is niet druk hè?
Nee man, nee. Tegenwoordig wordt er vuurwerk, kan je tegenwoordig ook bestellen.
Ja,
Winkel, dan wordt er thuis bezorgd bij.
Ja, ja.
Dat is 2 keer met de muis klikken, dan kan je nog een filmpje zien hoe je pot eruit ziet.
Dat is makkelijker. Eigenlijk makkelijk moet je eruit staan.
Ja, dan kan je nog zien hoe je pot eruit ziet.
Ja, ja, je hebt gelijk. Je hebt gelijk.
Dan kan je nog nooit alles zien.
Je wordt beroemd. Hé, hey, muizen vallen. Muizen vallen. Muizen vallen. Oh. Muizen vallen. Hup. Well, just a short conversation. Let's walk a bit further. Hup. Oh. Bang. Oh. Crashed. Oh. A lot of garages here. Oh, look at this. That's a nice old Opel Blitz. Ho ho! We found another one. Yep, it's another survivor. Oh la 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 la. Bit of rust. Yeah, just a bit of rust, but oh, okay. Ah, the old wheels. Oh, nice bed on it. Slightly restored. Yep. That's a nice one. That's a nice one. It is, yeah. That's a nice one. Hop. Oeh. Waar is mijn motorradwerker? Yep. Another Opel Blitz. Well, from this industrial estate with this huge fireworks firm. Peace in YouTubers. Bye bye.